Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video we are going to see how we can add media files in WordPress. WordPress allows you to add all kind of media files like videos, audios and images. So let's start. To add media, click on Media. After that click on Add New. Then, click on Select Files option to select the files from your local storage. Add media files such as images and audios by selecting them and click Open. Now images is uploading. So as you can see I have added few images from my desktop. You can add audio, video. So this is how you can add any media files in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below. And I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video. And I will see you in next video. Goodbye.